Here are the iterations of Poob. We got 3D printed Poob, Poob made out of wax, and Poob made out of rocket fuel. Here's a little Poob chamber, right? I made this mold for that and whatnot. Boom chapow, poured it in there. It worked, poured it in there. Let's test it out. Alright, so normally I would do this nighttime, but I'm lazy and I got shit to do, Poob. So you get the daytime shadow. Sam, you get the nighttime whatever. There's Poobster. All right, Poob, that's your rocket Sona. All right, that shit was actually so ass. I'm gonna do another batch. All right, I remade it. It's red this time because I put a little bit of iron oxide to make the reaction much more violent. Poob. That's tough, not gonna lie. Here's cleaning you up a little bit. Oh my goodness. I think this is gonna be, you know, calm, and then right here it's gonna be freaking crazy. Poob test number 2. That's kind of tough. Sam, you're next.